Hello students, welcome to CA session. Students, we will continue the same chapter, chapter 2, Internet Services and Mobile Technologies. Students, we were studying about e-reservation. So today we will study about benefits of e-reservation. It provides safety in accessing the websites, like whatever website we choose to book the ticket, the website will be secure. That the websites are available anywhere. Okay, like from anywhere you can shop and anytime 24/7 hours you can simply book the ticket. It is easy to use. The websites for e-reservations are easy to use. Then the websites are fast also, means services to book the ticket is also fast. Next is application areas of e-reservation, where this process is used to book the ticket. So that is to book the travel tickets, you can book the bus ticket, plane ticket, train ticket, etc. For hotel rooms, you can book rooms. Then sports matches, you can simply book tickets for various sports matches. And then movies and theatres, you can book tickets for movies, theatres, etc. like from the Book My Show website. Then if there is any event like fairs, live performance, so for that also you can book e-tickets and e-passes. Now students, e-reservation process. But first of all we should know the requirements. What are the things required? We need an internet connection in our mobile or computer, and we need online payment facility. You should be having your credit card details, debit card details or internet banking details. Now, you have to follow these steps to book the e-tickets. First of all, you have to log in into the website. You have to open the e-reservation website, means any website from where you can book the ticket, like Book My Show or Make My Trip, etc. And then after that, you have to provide the details. Details like you have to provide the day, time and seat. Then after that, when you click on search button, then you will get various choices. So you can make any choice, whichever you want, and then you have to submit your details. After that, you have to make the payment to confirm the ticket. Once the processing is done, means the payment is processed, you will be able to see your tickets on the screen and you will be able to print it or you can save it. And then you can use that e-ticket for traveling. Now students, the next type of web service is e-governance. So e-governance means application of electronic means. Electronically, we can simply visit government websites. Okay, so it is actually aim of fulfilling the requirement of the common man. Common man can visit the government websites and they use facilities and services provided by the government. Okay, so common man can simply use it at affordable cost and in fastest possible time. Okay, so traveling time is reduced. Then documentation, etc. that is also reduced. Or forms can be filled online. We don't have to go to the office to file for any document, and it can be done in the fastest possible time online. Now, so there can be interaction between the government and the citizen. Okay, like citizen can, we can directly apply for something on the government website. So this way we can interact with the government, or government and business interaction can also be there, like to fill tenders. If government is accepting tenders from various companies, so the business means companies having business can also interact with the government. Then even internal government operations can also be done with the help of e-governance. Okay, like there are various websites by which the members of central government can communicate with each other, as well as the state governments can also visit the e-governance websites for some work. Now major e-governance projects. These are various websites of e-governance. mca.gov.in, the websites of Ministry of Company Affairs. Here business can file for the tenders and all. Then the passport.gov.in, we can apply for the passports. Then incometaxindia.gov.in, we can file IT return, as well as we can have the TDS report also, as well as we can apply for the PAN and TAN. Then india.gov.in website, DRDO.nic.in website, RTI for right to information. Then Supreme Court of India, we can visit various Supreme Courts of India. And indiancourts.nic.in means all Supreme Courts and High Courts will be connected. So there can be social impacts on e-governance. So first of all, we'll study about the positive impact. What is the positive impact of using e-governance websites? So there is improved efficiency of administration and service delivery. Okay, the people, those who are working there in the government offices, they are also feeling comfortable in working with e-governance, as well as the service delivery is also fast. Then resulted in reduced waiting time. So now common men also, they don't have to wait for a long time outside the office. Waiting time is reduced. Then reduced cost of availing the service. The cost have also been reduced. Earlier we need to pay lots of documents, as well as we need to pay bribes also for get our work done. So this cost has been reduced, as well as the proved successful. It has proved successful in keeping the tab on corruption also. Everything is online. Each and every record is kept online. Payment, etc. Every record is kept online. So there is a tab on corruption, and corruption has been reduced to some extent. It has resulted in increased public participation. People are using e-governance websites a lot. Then it has resulted in increased transparency. As I said, everything is recorded online, so there is complete transparency. Now, negative impact of the e-governance. Now, what are the negative impact? Like here, first of all, lack of computerization. In some of the rural areas and remote areas, still computers are not used. Then, not all services are part of e-governance. Still, government is not providing websites for all the services. Still, we have to go to some of the offices to get our work done. Lack of awareness. People are not aware of the schemes and services provided by the government. So that is lack of awareness. Then incompatibility of software. Sometimes in the computer, software is not working. Software is incompatible. Then hardware can be incompatible with the computer. Then inconvenience in online payment. Some of the people feel inconvenient to make online payments. Maybe because the banks are not certified. Because in many rural areas, remote areas, still there are no banks. Okay, and if there are some banks like cooperative societies and all, they are not certified to make online payments. Then people afraid of using credit cards. You know very well credit card frauds are going on. So people are afraid of paying online with the help of credit cards. Then the websites can be slow. Sometimes website can be slow, or we can also feel like the website should be improved. Another type of web service is EGroups. EGroups simply making online committee and people can discuss on various topics, okay, and that those topics can be of their own common interest. Then if we are posting something on the e-group, that is known as post. Okay, so that will be visible to everyone. It depends on the privacy. If it is private or public, according to that, it is viewable to other members of the group. Then features of the e-groups are that you can connect as well as you can converse with the people. You can simply connect with different people and you can have conversation with them. Then threaded conversation is also there, like single conversation or single post you are making and others are replying on it. That means that single message is a threaded message or threaded conversation. Then members can post. So we can post, we can reply to other posts, and we can simply upload files over there on the e-groups. So Google groups are there on which you can upload files also. Then perfect for busy people. People those who don't have time. There is no specific time for them. Simply they can be online and they can participate in the group. Now benefits of e-group. The benefits are that we can keep in touch with other members. Other members, those who have joined in the group, we can keep in touch with them and we can converse. It's venue to make new friends. We will be able to make new friends worldwide. Okay, because you know very well, with the help of internet, everything has become global, and so we can make new friends as well as we can talk on common interest. Then let us build a community without technical hassle. Without technical hassle means we don't have to make our own e-group website. There's no need of HTML knowledge. Okay, no need of web design. Only the groups have been created. We have to simply create our account on it and then we can use the facilities of the groups. So students, only this much in this video. The rest of the topic we will discuss in the next video.